Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your BitGo account. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top navigation bar of your screen, at the right hand side corner, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and click on your profile. After that, you will see a last option as a logout. Click on that button. And you can see that you have been logged out from your account. To log back in, type in your email address and password here and simply click on login button. You also need to type in your two-factor authentication code to log into your account. So that is how you can log out from your BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.